In the rapidly evolving world of remote work, possessing high-paying certifications can significantly increase your job prospects and earning potential. According to a report by Global Workplace Analytics, the number of remote workers in the U.S. alone is expected to reach 25 to 30 million by 2024. Here are 11 high-paying certifications that will be in high demand for remote jobs in 2024. 1. Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. This certification is essential for cybersecurity professionals working remotely. 2. Project Management Professional, PMP. A PMP certification is crucial for project managers working remotely as it demonstrates their expertise in managing projects from a distance. 3. Certified Public Accountant, CPA. With more companies opting for remote work, the demand for CPA-certified accountants who can work from home is increasing. 4. Certified Digital Marketing Professional, CDMP. As digital marketing continues to grow, so does the demand for certified digital marketing professionals who can work remotely. 5. Certified Network Defender, CND. This certification is essential for network security professionals working remotely as it demonstrates their expertise in defending networks against cyber threats. 6. Certified Cloud Security Professional, CCSP. With more companies moving their operations to the cloud, the demand for CCSP certified cloud security professionals who can work remotely is increasing. 7. Certified Information Technology Service Manager, CISM. This certification is essential for IT service managers working remotely as it demonstrates their expertise in managing IT services from a distance. 8. Certified Scrum Master, CSM. As agile methodologies become more popular, the demand for CSM-certified Scrum Masters who can work remotely is increasing. 9. Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA. With more companies opting for remote work, the demand for CISA-certified auditors who can work from home is increasing. 10. Certified Information Privacy Manager, CIPM. This certification is essential for privacy professionals working remotely as it demonstrates their expertise in managing privacy compliance from a distance. 11. Certified Data Protection Officer, CDPO. With more companies moving their operations to the cloud, the demand for CDPO-certified data protection officers who can work remotely is increasing. To acquire these certifications, candidates should follow a step-by-step process that includes identifying the right certification, preparing for the exam, taking the exam, and maintaining the certification through continuing education and professional development activities. By following this process, candidates can increase their job prospects and earning potential in the rapidly evolving world of remote work.